Hey guys, or welcome back to my channel Dave's Time Pass. So today in this episode we're going to see how to make a very nice and delicious cheese chicken pizza. So it is mainly specialized for kids so they can make at their own. So let's see how to make that so delicious pizza. Take 300 grams of all-purpose flour or maida to a bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of baking powder, half tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil into it. Then, with the help of a spoon, mix all these ingredients together. Now, take 1 cup of warm water and add it to your ingredients step by step. Now make a soft dough like this. Now cover them with a damp cloth and keep it aside for at least 2 hours. Then take a blender and put 1 large chopped tomato and 5 to 7 cloves of garlic. Then blend them like this. Now take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and add finely chopped onion into it. Stir them until it becomes golden brown color like this. Now add the mixed mixture into your onion. Then add half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of pepper, half tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. Then again stir all them together. This is nothing but it's the pizza sauce. Now add half cup of water into it. Keep on stirring them until it becomes this consistency. Now keep your pizza sauce aside and take small slicely chopped chicken and add 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of pepper and half tablespoon of turmeric powder. You can mix this with the help of a spoon or with your hand. Now again, you can take a hot pan and add 1 cup of cooking oil into it. And when the oil is heated, you can add the chicken into the hot oil. Now when your chicken is being heated, you can add some red chili flakes into it. Again stir them. Then take it down and spread them on a plate. It should be more thicker than a chapati dough. After that, take a pan and grease some oil into it. Then apply your dough and poke some holes with the help of a fork so that the sauces and the masalas can get inside. Now take your pizza sauce and spread it throughout the dough. Okay, now for the toppings, you can add some onion, it should be finely chopped, and some pieces of tomatoes. Garnish with finely chopped capsicums. Then the main ingredients, that's the fried chicken. And then add your mozzarella cheese. Now, keep it on the gas stove for 20 minutes at low flame. Cover it with a lid. Okay, now our chicken pizza is ready. Now you can serve it deliciously to your guests. Thank you.
Guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you like my pizza as well as my channel. So if you like both of them, you can just subscribe, like, share and comment. Don't forget to click the notification which is near the subscribe button so that you will get all the notifications of my video. Thank you for watching my video guys once again.